In this video, we will learn how to create pie chart in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. Here you see I already create here one pie chart showing for the best for presentation. So here I'm showing you how to create this. So let's start how it's done. To insert pie chart, first select the data and go to the insert tab. Then click on the pie chart option. Then select the first 2D pie chart. Okay. Then here you see the plain and simple look of pie chart. So this pie chart is going to convert like this. So let's see. So first I select this legend entry and delete it. Just right click to the mouse, click on the delete option. Okay, then I select this pie chart. Just click on it in center. The full pie chart is selected. You see here the bubbles is showing of every corner of slide. It means full pie chart is selected. Then go to the chart design, click on the add charts element, click on the data labels. Click on the outside end. Here you see the outside end showing the actual cells of the every slice of pie chart. Then I want to convert this number in percentage and here I want also department name. So when I select the pie chart, then right click of the mouse, click on the format data label. Here you see all amount is selected, showing the selection. And here you see series name. When you click on the series name is showing with the amount of cells. When you click the category name, is the category name means department list name is showing with the amount. So here I want category name and percentage. I remove the value. Okay. Then show the leader line. What is a leader line? When you drag the any box here, you see that this is a leader line. Okay. If you want to show any numbers in along from the pie chart, then the leader line show here. Okay. I just click on the leader line and close this window. Okay. Then so here you can also rotate your pie chart. So select the full pie chart first and right click of the mouse, click on the format data series. Here have option angle of first slice. When you click on the line, the pie chart is a rotate. See here. So you can rotate as per your requirement. So I want the PNG slice in the right hand side. So I rotate accordingly. This is a PNG slice. Okay. Then you can use the pie explosion. When I click on the pie explosion, here you see all slice it comes out. When you reduce the pie explosion, the all slice is combined. Okay. So this is a way you can use the pie explosion. Now here I want only one slice out from the pie chart. Then select the one slice only from pie chart. I just select the one. Here you see the bubbles of pie chart. Slice is showing only one slice. Okay. Then drag it and set in out. This is a way you can set an out of slice from the pie chart. Okay. So now here you can fill color in your pie chart slice. Just select the slice. Here you see the bubble is selected in corner. It means the slice is selected. Then right click of the mouse, click on the format data point. Here you see the fill color option. Here have a different pattern you can fill. So picture and texture also fill, pattern also fill. I select the picture and texture option. Here you see the texture option have a number of different texture. Then you select it and showing the different look of your pie chart. If you want to fill the normal color, you can select here the color option also. Then I fill the color in plot area. I just click on outside of the pie chart. Here you see this is a plot area and just right click of the mouse and click on the format plot area. Here you see that you can also feel here the different textures and pictures, and also feel here the different color. So I just select the one color, okay, to showing the different look of chart. I select this one, okay. Then I drag this chart area, okay, and I select this chart title and drag in below side, okay. Select the first chart area, go to the home tab and use here the different color to showing the number, okay. I use this one, okay. Then you can change your chart design also. So here I'm going to some changes in plot area. Here this is a plot area. I want the same color of the plot area and chart area. Okay. So I just select this plot area and go to the home tab and click on the color, those in color in chart area. So the same color is showing here. The pie chart is showing the different way. So this is way you can change the different style in your pie chart to showing the presentation. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.